Spearman's two-factor theory. Spearman's two-factor theory of intelligence, also known as the G-factor theory, was proposed by British psychologist Charles Spearman in 1904. This theory suggests that intelligence is made up of two factors: general intelligence G factor and specific intelligence S factor. According to Spearman, the G factor is a broad ability that underlies all intellectual tasks. It is essential a measure of an individual's overall cognitive ability or general mental capacity. The G factor is believed to be used to be responsible for performance on a wide range of cognitive tasks, including reasoning, problem solving, and abstract thinking. In addition to the G factor, Spearman also identified the S factor, which is a specific ability that is only relevant to a particular task or skill. For example, the ability to play a musical instrument or solve complex mathematical equations would be considered examples of S factor ability. Spearman believed that both the G factor and S factor contribute to a individual's overall intelligence. However, he argued that the G factor is more important than the S factor because it is a more general ability that is relevant to a wider range of tasks. Spearman's two-factor theory has been influential in the field of intelligence research and has been supported by numerous studies. However, some critics have argued that the theory oversimplifies the nature of intelligence and that is fails to capture the complexity of different cognitive abilities. Despite these criticisms, the G factor remains an important concept in the study of intelligence and continues to be used in intelligence testing and assessment.